Welcome back, students. Today I'll tell you how to find a number of rational numbers between two given rational numbers. So before that, if I say write 5 natural numbers between 8 and 17. If I say write 5 natural numbers between 8 and 17, now you know that between 8 and 17 the natural numbers are 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now out of these natural numbers you can write any 5. They are saying write 5 natural numbers between 8 and 17. So out of these natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 natural numbers, you can write any 5. Say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. These are the 5 natural numbers between 8 and 17. Now some other student may write 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That is also correct. So these are the natural numbers between 8 and 17. Now write 10 integers between -7 and 11. Write 10 integers between -7 and 11. Now, between -7 and 11, what are the integers between -7 and 11? It is -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the these all are the integers between -7 and 11. Now you can choose any 10 integers, any 10 between out of these integers, and that will be your answer. Say I write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, these are the 10 integers between -7 and 11. Clear? Now the thing is, how many natural numbers are there between 5 and 11? How many natural numbers are there between 5 and 11? So the number is fixed: 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 natural numbers are there between 5 and 11, and they are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the 5 natural numbers between 5 and 11. Okay. Now, how many integers are there between -3 and 6? -3 and 6. Now see, between -3 and 6 means -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. Okay. there can be 8 integers between -3 and 6. Again, that number is fixed. Okay. Now, if I ask you how many whole numbers are there between 0 and 1, obviously your answer will be none, because after 0 the next whole number is 1. So the number of whole numbers between 0 and 1, that is none. But what about rational numbers? Now you know that between 1 and 2 there can be infinite rational numbers. Between 2 and 3 there can be infinite rational numbers. So if someone asks how many rational numbers are there between 5 and 11, there cannot be a fixed answer, because the answer is infinite. So I am going to explain it more. Rational numbers between 3 and 7. Now, rational numbers between 3 and 7, you can say 4, 5, 6. But you know that 3 can also be written as 30 upon 10, and 7 can be written as 70 upon 10. Like 30 upon 10 is nothing but 3, and 70 upon 10 is nothing but 7. Now, between 30 and 70, there can be 31, 32, 33, 34, so on till 69. And below each number you write down by 10. So they are all rational numbers because they are in the P upon Q form, and they lie between 3 and 7. Because this is 3.1, then 3.2, then 3.3, 3.4 till 6.9. All these numbers, they are rational numbers and they lie between 3 and 7. Not only that, now this 3 by 3 or 30 by 10 can also be written as 300 by 100. Same thing, it is 3 only. And 700 by 100. And now between 300 and 700 we can have 301, 302, 303, 304 and so on, and at the end 399, and below each number you write down 100. Now all these numbers, they are again in the P upon Q form, and so they all are rational numbers. You see it is 3.01, 3.02, 3.03, 3.04, 3.05 and so on. At the end we have 3.99, and in fact it should be 6.99, not last one should be 699, so it will be 6.99. Is it clear? So you can see that between 3 and 7 we can have a number of rational numbers. Now I will tell you a few questions in which we will find the number of rational numbers between given rational numbers. The first question is, Find any 10 rational numbers between -5/6 and 5/8. -5/6 and 5/8. So you have to write 10 rational numbers, any 10 rational numbers between -5/6 and 5/8. Now you do one thing. First of all, you see, we will make the denominator same. So the LCM of 6 and 8. You know the LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. Now what we do, -5/6 can also be written as, if you multiply both numerator and denominator by 4, it will be -20/24. Similarly, 5/8 can also be written as, you just multiply numerator and denominator by 3, so it is 15/24. Now denominators are same. Now you see the numerator, it is -20 here and 15 there. So we can take any 10 rational number, any 10 numbers between -20 and 15. Excuse me. So better if we take positive numbers, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and write down 24 below each number, like this. 24 below each number. Okay, so these all numbers, 1/24, 2/24, 3/24, 4/24, 5/24, and so on. These all numbers, they are up to 10/24. They are rational numbers, and they definitely lie between -5/6 and 5/8. Clear? So that is your answer. Next question. Find 3 rational numbers between 1/4 and 1/2. Find 3 rational numbers between 1/4 and 1/2. So first of all, we will make the denominators same. For that, LCM of 4 and 2 will be 4 only. So 1/4 and 2/4. Now the thing is, here it is already 4, but there it is 2, so you multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2, so it is 2/4. Now although the denominators are same, but in the numerator we have only 1 and 2, So between 1 and 2 and no integer is there, we can write decimal numbers. But to make our calculation easy, what we do, we multiply this number, the numerator and the denominator, by say 3. So it is 3 upon 12, and here also you multiply it by 3, so 6 upon 12. 3 upon 12 and 6 upon 12. Still you can see the denominators are same, but in the numerator we have 3 and 6. So we can now write 4 and 5. Two numbers are there. But now what we do, we multiply both the numerator and denominator of these fractions by 4. So 4 by 16 and 8 by 16. Multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 4. So it is 4 by 16 and 8 by 16. Now between 4 and 8 we have 5, 6 and 7. So the first number is 5 by 16. Then the other number is 6 by 16. And the third number is 7 by 16. And that is your answer. So you can see 5, 6 and 7. There are 3 rational numbers, and they are definitely rational numbers because they are in the form of P upon Q, and both the numbers are integers, and the denominator is not equal to 0, and they lie between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. If you find out the value by division, then you can see these 3 numbers, they lie between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Now there is one more method. One more method of doing this question. Now, what is that method? The next method is the given numbers are 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. If two numbers are given and you want one rational number between them, simply add them and divide it by 2. Means find out the mean. So a rational number between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2 will be equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 and divided by 2. Okay? To find any rational number, one rational number between two given rational numbers, simply add those two rational numbers and divide it by 2. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2. Now here 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, you can take 4 LCM. So it is 3 by 4 in the numerator upon 2, so 3 by 8. So one number is 3 by 8. You can see 3 by 8 is a number which is divisible, which is between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Now, but we need 3. So now what we do, see, this is 1 by 4, this is 1 by 2, and here we have found 3 by 8. Now to find the next one, what we do, we find the rational number between 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. So a rational number between 1 by 4 and 3 by 8. Again, we'll apply the same method. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 8 divided by 2. That is, here you can take 8 LCM. So 5 by 8 upon 2, that is 5 by 16. So between 1 by 4 and 3 by 8, we have found 5 by 16. So this will be 5 by 16. And now to find one more, you will find the rational number between 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. Clear? Initially it was 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. First of all, we have found the rational number between these two, so that is 3 by 8. Now between 1 by 4 and 3 by 8, we have found 5 by 16. And now between 3 by 8 and 1 by 2, we'll find between 3 by 8 and 1 by 2 a rational number between 3 by 8 and 1 upon 2. 3 upon 8 and 1 upon 2 will be equal to 3 by 8 plus 1 by 2 upon 2. If you take 16 LCM, 8 LCM, so 3 plus 4, 7 upon 8 by 2, 7 by 16. So you can see the next one is 7 by 16. So these three are the rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Clear? Next question. Write any 5 rational numbers between -2 and 0. Between -2 and 0. Write any 5 rational numbers between -2 and 0. Now you know that -2 can be written as -20 by 10 and 0 is 0 only, or you can say 0 by 10. Now between -20 and 0 you have to write any 5 numbers. So between -20 and 0 we can write -19, -18, -17, -16, -15. We can write more numbers also, but it's not needed because they are saying you have to write only 5 numbers. And now in the denominator you will write 10, here 10, 10, 10 and 10. And that is your answer. So you can see -19 by 10, -18 by 10, -17 by 10, -16 by 10, -15 by 10. These are the 5 numbers which are definitely they are rational numbers and they lie between -2 and 0. Clear? So in the next class we will practice few more questions based on this number line and the rational numbers between given rational numbers, and then we'll conclude the chapter in the next period. Okay.